how to see original ringtone in iPhone. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, the original iPhone ringtone is known as opening. I'll show you how to set it. Let's dive right in. Head over to settings. Then you need to scroll down and go to sounds and haptics. From there, go to ringtone. Now, at the very bottom, you'll find classic, tap on it, and then scroll down, and there you'll find opening. You just need to tap on it, and then that is the original iPhone ringtone. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching.